as crowd funding is becoming more and more popular, especially in the past couple of years, and there are more people coming into this area, how do you feel as though you'll be able to differentiate yourself? What are you doing to make you guys the best and the most well-known in
Sure.
this little silo?
Well, we're well capitalized. We were first to market, or one of the first to market, which has served us well in that we've grown a much bigger crowd than a lot of other platforms.
So
And
put that in
means-
context for a second.
Sure. It means we can raise money very, very quickly.
So your crowd is
12,000 people plus
12,000
at
plus
this
people,
point. Yeah.
right? And so for other people to get to 12,000 plus people, it would just take that much more time. So you have first
Exactly.
mover advantage to a certain
Exactly.
extent.
Which means that when we put an opportunity on our platform to raise $2-3 million, we can actually reach those dollar amounts. And some other platforms that maybe are just gaining traction now or have just launched, they're going to take some longer time perhaps to be able to put a sizable transaction in real estate. It's hard to raise $200,000-300,000 for an opportunity and get any economies of scale. Most sponsors aren't looking for a couple $100,000, they're looking for a couple million or more. We provide a really great service in that we are that space of equity that most, that's bigger than friends and family,
Right.
but smaller than institutions.
Right.
So
Right.
that's kind of cool. But there's lots of different platforms out there, and they're all trying different things. There's technology-only platforms where you pay to put an opportunity online, and they're not pre-vetted. There's debt-only platforms that don't want to go through all the securities hoops
Mhm.
that we've chosen to as a company. So we're a little unique in that when we work with a sponsor, we become the single point of investment, meaning we do all the distributions, we do all of the reporting.
So no
and-
headaches for
No headaches.
however many people are
Exactly.
in that investment crowd.
Yeah, so a lot of people say to me, oh, that sounds like a nightmare. What do I want to take a $10,000 investor for?
Right.
And we go, no, don't worry about it. We'll
It's all
take that headache.
automated.
We'll do it. And we're completely automated.
Right.
So we just become just like one high net worth
Right.
investor.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. And so how do you guys select your opportunities? What are some of
The best ones.
Well,
Yeah.
clearly.
Yeah.
But then there's also the criteria that contributes to
It's a great
how you
question.
get to those best ones.
Yeah, so we are very selective, and that's what I mean to say with the best ones. We first and foremost take sponsors that have $100 million in assets under management or bought and sold. So truly, track record is what we're looking for with our sponsors. Guys that this isn't their first
Rodeo, so to
acquisition,
say.
not their first time at the rodeo.
Right.
They're not buying an asset that they've never owned before. We do no ground-up construction. We do no land. Everything has to be cash-flowing real estate. So we're using the track record of the property as well as our sponsors. And that's kind of first and foremost. Then we look at market fundamentals. We look at the deal structure. We look at our sponsors, and we're also looking at the asset. So all of those things combined with the return that we know our investors, and we've spent a lot of time getting an idea of what our investor preferences are, where they want to see returns, risk-adjusted returns, and then we risk tier everything, and hopefully what comes through is a small percentage of the deals. We probably accept less than 5% of the opportunities that are presented to us that fit our investment criteria.
And geographically?
All across the country.
Right.
Yeah.
Hawaii, not into
Sure.
Canada or Mexico?
Yeah.
Not yet.
We would do, not Canada or Mexico. We do Hawaii, we would do Alaska if there was the right opportunity in Alaska. So all 50 states.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's impressive. It's very,
Yeah.
very interesting. We're super delighted, A, to have you here
Thank
at
you.
the Congress, but B, also that you were one of the sponsors this year, and we are very appreciative of that.
Thrilled to be here.
And
Thank
so
you for having us.
very much, Elizabeth. It was nice
You
meeting
bet.
you.
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you.